load of tires. So we're starting to collect tires for the tire walls. That's what we've got so far. I'm coming around the back side here, and that's where we're at right now. We're here right now getting the perk test done for the septic system, and we've had him dig the 3 holes, and right now we're waiting for the engineer to get here so that he can do the test and do all of the engineering. And once we get all of that done, then we'll be able to take that information with the plans and go get all the permits, and then we'll be able to start the build. So after that, it's a matter of collecting materials and then getting it on. So keep in touch, keep watching us, and we'll get it built. Thanks. So there's starting hole number 2 here. I'm gonna go look at hole number 1. If I can get to it without falling in over here. All right. Yep. There we go. Perk test hole number 1. 12 feet deep at the bottom. Go around this way. That's a lot of dirt came out of there. 12 feet. Alright, let's see. Out of the way here. Another one. This is the second hole. Do one more closer to where the house is going to be for the septic tank. right, so the perk test is done. Apparently we have excellent dirt out here. It's going to cost us a lot less than I thought, which is awesome. Much smaller field, and we'll be able to use chambers instead of the old perforated drainage method, and that's awesome. So we finished all of that now, and our guy here, our excavator, he's burying it in right now. You can see he's finishing it up right now, and once we get all of that finished up, we're going to be done, and we're going to set it up. It'll be awesome. So yeah, awesome. Stay tuned in, and we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Thanks.